Um, when it came to Choicest Fruit, when it came to choosing Choicest Fruit, I thought it was gonna be harder than it was actually, and that was because of all. It's because of my boss and my teammates making it easier for me and making the experience easier for me to do. Um, I enjoy making those apps and games that we made. I love showing them to my family and them seeing me happy, showing them them feedbacks. I love that that our my teammates are more talkative, and I love that we talk about our apps. We make I love that I'm learning more coding. I never knew that I was gonna like coding. I thought I was just gonna be, I don't know, but I just thought coding, I was never going to be interested in coding, but when coming here, I became more interested in coding. And yeah, I would recommend Choicest Fruit to anybody who would like to code. It's an easier place to make it, and all the people who work here are very kind and very respectful and very helpful and will help you with coding through your life. Yeah.